right, Dr. Kimpy of the Hammond Doc. I'm installing a power transformer in this Leslie 122 amplifier. So I'm going to do this. I've already taken the wires. Of course, the old transformer is over on that table there. So it's already been removed. I'm taking the wires for the new transformer. Plug them through the hole here. And I do it so that I orient it so that the green wires are at the back side here. So I want the green wires over here. Here are the green wires. Then I'll bring these in. Use a little washer. And a little nut here. That's on the first one. All right. Do the same thing diagonally. So I can get that on the flat edge up against there. Woo! There you go. Let's see. Change that down. See, I got it in there now. Run this one to the top. Having it upside down like this makes it easier to put it in there and install. And I got the screw here. Get that back. My little washer. Put my washer on the top. Here comes number 4. Before that there. That bad fella's in there. Tight. Everything is wrist tight. Dealing with ladies, is your wrist tight. It's wrist tight. Not arm tight. Wrist tight. You ain't trying to pop no screw. You don't want to pop it. So you wrist tight. I've seen guys try to use muscles and over tight and stuff in there. And you bust it. Okay, so now here you go. So now that transformer is in there. Got a new power transformer in there. Now all I have to do is connect the wires. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'll get to the rebuild there. All right, Dr. Kemp, the Hammond Doc. Peace out.